Hey, Lee Cole here. Thank you so much for looking at this video. I'm going to make this short and sweet because it really does not need a lot of explanation. What you're looking at right here, see that? You're looking at the sales letter for a product that's launching tomorrow. It is called Local Funnel Academy Real Estate Edition, and it's done by my good friend Kerry Canal. I've known Kerry for 10 years. He walks the talk. He's the real deal. He actually sells businesses the kinds of things that he's going to teach you to sell here. And it's really, really cool. These are called hybrid websites. And so basically a hybrid website, the way Kerry's talking about it, is a combination of a WordPress website and a ClickFunnels website. So Kerry's figured out how to put the two together in order to make a much, much better website for a local business. Now here's the deal. Most of the websites that you see online for businesses are WordPress websites. And WordPress is really cool, but it's got a couple of issues. One, it is what we call really leaky. So in other words, somebody lands on a page, they have so many options for what they're going to do after they land on the page. Do they click this and look at that video? Do they click over here and read the blog post? Do they enter their email address over here? Do they click this thing and set up an appointment, etc., etc.? I mean, it's just way too many, way too much stuff going on with your average WordPress website. Now, you really, for a business website, okay, you really want people to land on what we call the landing page, and you want them to have a very limited number of options. So for a dentist's office, you might want them to have the option of making an appointment. For realtors, for instance, you'd want them to have the option of actually scheduling an appointment to see a house, or giving their phone number to the realtor so they can call them up because they're interested in buying houses in a certain neighborhood, et cetera, et cetera. So you basically want to structure the website so that when the visitor lands on it, all they see are a very, very few options, all of which lead to the next step. None of which are just people just clicking around, reading stuff or looking at stuff. And the way Kerry's mashed up, and mashed up would be the wrong word, but the way Kerry has very easily put together WordPress with ClickFunnels, it actually does this. You're actually able to create a much tighter funnel experience for someone landing on that given business's website. Now, he's been selling these hybrid websites, or actually renting them. He's been selling and renting these to realtors for quite some time, and he's built up a very nice income doing this. It is extremely important for real estate agents to capture all of this information from people and to actually get people to actually make a decision about taking the next step. Just landing on the website and not doing anything isn't helping anybody. So they're called hybrid websites. The main difference between hybrid websites and your average WordPress website is a hybrid website has, as I just described, a built-in funnel. Now, I'm not going to read you this whole sales letter. It's available for you to look at. If you're on my bonus page, you can click on the big red button that says Next Step. If you're on YouTube, just click on just scroll down to the description box, click on that first link. It will actually take you to my bonus page where you can see the following. You can see the cool bonuses that I am personally offering to you if you decide to buy this today through my link. Two of which have to do with real estate. These are two products that I created that are completely up to date, and that show you two other methods, two other things that you can sell to your real estate agent. We call them real estate agents in the United States. They're called estate agents in the UK, but that you can sell to your real estate agent or estate agent clients. So not only will you get those two, but if you'll scroll down a little bit on the bonus page, you get tons of other cool money-making stuff. Now, I told you this would be short and sweet. I want it to be short and sweet. Wherever you are, click on the link, take the next step, check this out, and buy it. It's going to help you make money. Thanks so much. My name's Lee Cole. Talk to you soon.